want all this.
Apologies, I can't talk.
Dude, can we just take a moment and...
I just want all.
Dude, can we just take...
Hey. Thanks.
Dude,
Thanks.
yeah. Aww. Dude, can we just take a moment and...
I just want.
Apologies, I can't talk.
Yes.
can you come to the main cart? We've just cleared the path.
And I'm ready. I was actually dreaming that
Well, Chani, let's hope your dream comes true.
I was supposed to have a concert. How many inside the wall do you think had a ticket for it?
You... Huh. There's a barrier around this thing. If the wall is protecting it, it must be important. What is this barrier made of? Oh, maybe it'll react to your hand? Do you have... Can't you just try? What? What? You're coming down, Wall.
Yuna, please, give it more...
I'm sorry.
What? No, keep up. You're the only one who can do this.
What if...
Yuna, could you come to the dining cart? Why did you stop? Your power can penetrate the walls. Are you... Please, answer me.
What if we make things worse? What if we end up hurting more?
That would be unfortunate. But then we'd...
No. I'm done hurting people.
Yuna, I'm sorry. But does that mean you're also...
We need to go somewhere. When I saw my power working, how am I going to hurt people this time? I know I can help. I just can't.
Yes, you can, Yuna. For them.
I knew Yuna would help us.
What is this?
One of the millions of replies your message received.
That message was a lie!
Yes, but the response to it was very real.
Yuna Save the World concert confirmed?
She really cares about her fans.
Some of your fans may have died here. But there are millions out there waiting for you, Yuna.
But...
Don't you want the world to go back to normal? Your fans need you, Yuna.
they need me. Let's do this!
Okay, Yuna, are you ready?
have to.
The core is spiking. Get ready. Monsters are coming your way. Yuna, you're doing great. You two, buy her time.
Yes! Yes!
This is for you.
Breaking free. I'm breaking free. Breaking free. I'm breaking free. I'm breaking free. Hear the voices beckoning, a haunting vision that holds me, a sudden rush of energy, and all the bright lights that fuel me. I'm breaking free, you'll get to see the real me now. It's a dream, just watch how I burn it down. Breaking free.
The wall is breaking!
Oh my god, the wall is breaking! I knew I shouldn't have done this.
Oh no! We're going to have to jump!
I'm so sorry!
Ah!
Do something! My bra? Really?
Do you know when you're having a nightmare and then it suddenly turns into...
You shouldn't have had that.
Oh, they were so good though.
Let's go. Hey, Yunchi.
Yuna?
I realize that... Huge. That doesn't mean I can just... Not when there are people out there. It's what gave me the courage. I wanted to say... I promise that I will be there for you and for all my fans. No matter the cost. Can't sleep? How many times? What an achievement. And this is just the start of our journey. We'll probably face even greater challenges, but we need to try. Try to save ourselves. Whatever it takes. Yeah. By the way, thanks. 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 Nothing. Oh, and, about my little let's keep that between us.
Oh, it's lit! It's lit! We really did it! We brought him. Yeah! But seriously though, we destroyed him.
Yeah,
No, we need a name. How about the legendary dude?
the legendary dudes.
Yeah, it's flashy and cool.
The mellow moodities! What? It's cute! Cows are cute!
I'm not a cow.
I'm not a dude.
But you could be. And is
What do you think?
that's better? Yeah, Umbra. We are coming for. Wait. I found some batteries for my camera.
Should we pose?
Yes! Yeah, Umbra! We are coming for you!
And I'm coming with you.
How did you find us?
Automated distress signal that I picked up. What? No way. They figured it out?
Isn't that just a bus?
No, it's a railless train, and it's a maze.
Too bad it's...
There is nothing you can't fit,
Really?
as long as you know science. A couple of tweaks here and there, and life.
Did Arya leave us any messages? We lost contact with her ever
A route has been pre-programmed into the train.
That must be where Arya wanted us to go.
Well then,
Now, I would like to join your team. I sense your hesitation. Allow me to introduce. I am Sia, a seeker of knowledge, pursuer of truth, capable of pushing humanity forward even in the face, and I have. I know that the walls are made.
living tissue.
Yes, those are the sorts of insights with the power of, but more specifically, the power of the. Don't you want science in your corner? It put humanity on the moon. It will save us from the jaw.
A party is always more fun with more people. So I say yes too.
Of course we want science in our corner. It's a yes.
Welcome aboard. He has a transforming arm. Yuna can do soft magic. And I am the brains of the group.
What did you say about that arm? You're radiating electrical frequencies.
Wireless charging module activated.
My machine is reacting to the arm. Psych! No!
What did you do?
I'm sorry. I was... That's amazing.
Don't touch me.
Of course. Sorry.
So,
I'll start the train.
The first wall has fallen.
Send me to deal with them then.
Negative.
What if they break through the second wall? What are we going to do then?
We will deal with those very human weakness is acting.
Our song. You can bring him back.
He is a known.
What do you need me?
Find the totem.
So, these cores, when triggered, destroy? Yes, I believe I can.
We need all of it we can get.
so, you know about our powers. Do you have?
Yes, I can cast ice. And it is an app cool-headed and rational.
Ice powers? Oh,
I know.
Configurations up to...
There, I've reprogrammed my machine.
you really can do anything with...
Next corner, and I'll be outside. There won't be any monsters there. Just keep running, Min. Just keep running.
These walls look so spooky.
Yes, they certainly have some interesting external character.
Hey, somebody should stay back and watch the train.
I guess that's me. I guess it is home now, huh?
The amount of material these walls can absorb is astounding. This used to be an industrial hub. What can do this and still be a living organism?
They're in trouble. I need to do something.
Yes! Yes!
You, behind the pillar. It's safe now.
What are you doing here? I got lost running away from some.
Do you?
Wait. You, the pop star. You can destroy walls?
Correct. There is a strong energy signature close.
It must be the core. Are you okay, Min?
Yeah, excellent. When you ran through the wall, did you see a giant beating heart? Giant eyes? Maybe even a
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do it. I can't believe I touched her. I can't believe I touched her. I'm so sorry. I'm not a pervert. Good. Sorry. Wait, where's my hat? Where's my hat? There. Let's get out. I don't. I know. I'm not too. Okay. I wish I could help somehow. Never mind. Those monsters are really dangerous. We should get out of here. But don't let them see you. It's just the first time I've done this, okay? It's just the first time I've done this, okay? Really? Why aren't those guys moving? I'm sorry if I'm hugging you too tight. Those monsters just need to disappear. This place is so creepy. I hope we get out of here soon. I hope your friends Sia and Yuna are okay. Friends are rare and precious. I do. I was part of a running team. When the world ended, we became our camp's lifeline. We were scavenging a town close by, and we found a grocery store full. Guys! There's a drugstore across the street!
I'll come with.
It'll just take a second. I was so excited. Food. I was in the pharmacy for a minute when the screaming. By the time I came back, I didn't know what to do. I hid while May turned into one of them. That's when Bona saw me. And we just looked at each other. I just wanted her to stay away from me. I wanted to be so I closed my eyes when I opened them. They were my team. I should have done something. I should have protected, but I didn't. Bona, Sohi, I don't deserve to wear her hat. I think I feel better now. What is this thing?
Yes! Yes!
It's happening again. I'm not going to let anyone else get hurt. Yes! Guys! Are you okay? I'm fine.
This is where the energy signal originated from. Sorry, it's just...
What's going...
The core is being fused into the...
Fused?
Yes, and if it succeeds, the walls to the point of making it essential...
How do we stop it?
How do we stop the fusion? There is only one way. We destroy them.
I'm sorry.
Yes, according to my device, we have 11 days before they are fully fused.
Let's go destroy them!
Allow me. My ego is bruised.
Like always, it's up to pop stars like me to break down walls and bring us all closer together. It worked last time, okay?
Well, since the pop star failed, break down this wall and bring us all... Let's all try.
I don't think I can do this.
Min, what you think doesn't matter. We need to know.
Okay. Way to go!
That was excellent, Min. Let's go back to the train. Focus, Sia. Focus.
Glad you made it back in one piece. Oh, I am the brain. I'm the funny sidekick of the group. But enough about me. Who are you?
Oh, I'm Min.
She can create shields.
I bet it won't be able to protect you from my... That was a joke. Anyway, what happened at the wall?
Hey, I just wanted to... The piggyback ride. And apologize for squeezing you so hard. And apologize for squeezing you so hard. Squeezing your back! Your back! Squeezing your back! Your back! Not your... I'm so sorry, I'm a terrible person! You should have just left me down there with the monster where I belong! I didn't do anything. My friends Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hug you. It was just... Thanks. I think I needed... You're pretty amazing. You're pretty amazing. You're pretty amazing. You're pretty amazing. No! I mean, you make terrible jokes. That's good. Thank you for saving me. Can I talk to you about something? Yay! Would you be my coach? It's just... You weren't scared, you weren't panicky. Could you please teach me how... Thank you. I won't let you down, Coach.
Nin, there are a couple of empty rooms around the... Except the car on the other side of this lot. I've claimed it as my temporary research center.
Oh, okay. I'll use some of the...
This is starting to feel like a fit.
No.
I'm okay.
You wouldn't survive.
Yeah!
We need to focus. We have 11 days. I've also discovered that the coordinates Arya left to the Kafka lab. It's not. Let's just get there before the stone is full. I'd like to study you further, and also assure you that I will be a Welcome to science! Apologies, I'll try to... But some habits are harder. In any case, I haven't had a lab partner for... Actually, I've never had a lab. I had minions. I mean, assistants. Let's begin. That's completely normal. Currently, I'm scanning your molecule. And they're... Remember, you passed out the last time we can never forget that we are inside a serious... weren't just good looks. Sorry. We need to take research seriously. Excellent. It's finished scanning. What? 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 Your arm is emitting a signal? Who cares if it's useful? The question, how is your arm emitting GPS coordinates? I didn't expect the machine to being in which a researcher which is why we're following that in order to conduct.
Maybe we should just give up. We're all doomed anyway. So many of my babies are dead and sad. It's pointless. I feel so weak. What about you? We need them now more than ever. I mean, you saw how bonds helped destroy. Yeah, maybe. Also, hang out more with Johnny in uncertain times.